Alright, so we have an iPhone 8 right here. First thing we do is take the two screws out of the bottom, peel off the screen, then take these three screws out of here, pop that panel off, pop the second panel off, then we take these screws out of the top, holding the earpiece in, take the earpiece out, gotta heat it up a little bit so you can peel it out, then reassemble on the new screen, throw a couple of these screws in, then start unscrewing the bottom home button panel. Heat it up, same kind of process, you peel it off. Pop on the new screen, reattach the panel, then you reconnect the ribbon cables, screw in all the screws, pop the screen back together, and the last two screws, and you're done.